Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B investing in BI, and we've got an Indigo video for you. I know it's been a while, but the price of Indigo has really been trading sideways a lot since that really low that we had, that $1.20 low that I passed on. I should have picked up, but I didn't. But hey, my mistake, and I want to document that, and I want to learn from it. So what are we looking at right now? Let's take a look at the price. Currently, we are at $1.74. We're really just trading sideways. We're in the middle of where I want to be. I think looking at the last 90 days here, and again, we've had some peaks, some good peaks and some valleys here. There's that $1.20, $1.19 that I talked about that I missed out on, and we climbed up pretty high here. So there was a really good opportunity for people that picked up at the end of January around that low to have sold. And again, this is why I constantly preach. Let me blow this up here. This is why I constantly preach about not getting FOMO, about not buying, like we've had some people on the channel tell me or tell us that, they dropped $3,000 at, near the all-time high, above $3 a token. Don't do it. Do not do it. Spread your money out. Take that $3,000 and you could have put in, in MinSwap, or if Muesli Swap has it, buy orders, do DCA, put in buy orders. Anytime it goes below a certain point, pick up X amount, or do it based on time. Every week, every month, at the end of every month, buy X amount. That's what I would recommend, but I don't recommend, unless you're a swing trader, dumping dumping a large amount of money into it at any given single point. Buy over time. Nothing's going anywhere. The markets go up and down. We're in a bear market. You are going to be okay. When it was above $3, people were saying we missed out, we screwed up. But looking at things today, it just wasn't true. Go back 180 days. This is where people were saying that it was over. You guys missed the ship. No, we didn't. It came tumbling down. And we picked up in here, and we sold up here, and it came down again. And it came down again, and we sold up here again, and it's coming down. When you go into those valleys, that's when you want to buy. So let's go back to the 90. We missed out. We did sell some up here, but if you would have purchased down here and sold up here, you're looking at over 100% profit just for it to come back down again, for you to have more money to buy more tokens. So you accumulate slowly over time. That's my strategy, not financial advice, but it's working for us. We might not have thousands of INDY, but our INDY tokens so far are pretty cheap, if not free at this point. I want to say about 80 or so of the tokens that I hold out of the 179 have been free. In the next time, again, what I'm looking at is anything over, if it gets to 220, honestly, I might want to change it. If we get to $2, I might sell, because I have tokens that I purchased at about $1.50. And you can go back in previous videos and look at that. If it goes above $2, I'm selling about 50 tokens. If it goes below $1.50, we hit down in here, these types of valleys, 140, 130, that'd be ideal. $1.30, I'm picking up more. If it goes up above 2, I'm selling. I have about 50 that I have that I should sell at the above $2 mark to make even more tokens that we hold free. And then the next time it drops down below $1.50, I buy more. So I'm getting a 50% savings. I'm reducing my average token cost. And we're also staking. We're staking the Indigo token. We're participating in governance voting. I voted on that one. We're locked until April 4th, but that's okay. 179.66 tokens, our current reward right now, and we've been maybe a month, so we're looking at about 5 epochs, 4 or 5 epochs, something like that. 11 ADA, outperforming native staking. Let's take a look at what INDY tokens we have. and I've accumulated 5 Indigo tokens for free. And I've got a stability pool. I've got like profits that I've taken out that's sitting there in the IUSD stability pool. Look at this. Look what we have. We've got 4.5 Indigo tokens sitting there. So I got about 10 Indigo tokens that we've picked up for free for just staking, free tokens. What a time to be in the markets. The bear market is the best market in my opinion, which is why it is important to take your profits at the top, people. But this is my Indigo update, my holdings update, what my plan is. Hopefully you've got an awesome plan that has been working out for you. This is my plan. This is the plan that's kind of built for people that don't want to or can't invest a ton of money into crypto, whether it be because you've got other responsibilities or your risk profile is really low, like mine. I want to be a part of this. I want to learn DeFi, but I want to show you how DeFi works and how the crypto game works, how you can make money, how you can easily lose money if you make bad decisions. So let's go ahead and take a look at the coin perspective. This is what I love to use to show me potential, give me some kind of fantasy plays. Right now, we're looking at a little over 4 million Indigo in circulation right now. And I put a target of $80. That gives us a market cap of $324.8 million. And each Indigo token would be worth $80. So given that our current holdings of 179 let's get the 0.66 on there, is worth about $314. That's all I've got in the game, guys. $314, and a majority of that was free because we got 50 airdrop tokens, and I've been buying low and selling high. The potential value at a 324 million market cap, my bag would be worth about $14,500. That's not bad. I could do a lot with that. I could put a down payment on a vehicle. You could put a down payment on an investment property. I could take that money and roll it into the native token of the protocol that I'm really interested in, which would be a Cardano. I could take that and pick up Bitcoin with it and swing trade Bitcoin. That would be really fun. There's so much you can do with very little reward. We're looking at my investment in Indigo probably is sitting around $100, maybe. I'm up. If I sold all my tokens, I'm fully in profit. I'm in profit right now. Hopefully you guys are as well. I might not have a ton of tokens, but I'm up. There's a ton of people that have a bunch of tokens and they're down, and they've got a long road to get into profit. So I'd rather have a low amount of tokens in profit than a bunch of tokens in the red. So that's been my perspective. IndigoProtocol, one of the best decentralized DeFi platforms on Cardano, in my opinion, the best. That's what I've got going on. Hopefully you've got something positive going on with it. Your experience with Indigo as well. It's a fun protocol. I love the community. I'm loving the governance. I love the temperature check forums. Really fun. And this has been my update. So make sure you hit that like, hit the share, subscribe to support the channel, support the videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.